Hello, students. In this class, let's introduce the types and characteristics of organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizer refers to the fertilizer containing organic substances, which is processed and accumulated by various organic wastes. It is also called farmyard manure. At present, there are more commercial organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizer can provide nutrition for plant growth, activate soil nutrients, and improve fertilizer utilization rate. Organic fertilizer can improve the physical and chemical properties of soil, improve the quality of agricultural products, and stimulate crop growth. Organic fertilizer can improve soil microbial activity and enzyme activity, and play a very important role in improving ecological environment. Compared with chemical fertilizer, organic fertilizer has the following characteristics: comprehensive nutrition, low nutrient content, slow fertilizer efficiency. Organic substances can be used to fertilize and improve soil, contains a lot of microorganisms to promote rhizosphere nutrition. Large amount of application, accumulation, and application are laborious. Some contain germs and eggs. What are the types of organic fertilizers? According to its source, characteristics, and production methods, it can be generally divided into 5 types. They are manure, mainly animal excrement. Compost is mainly the product of microbial fermentation of organic materials. Green manure, a kind of fertilizer, mainly refers to the whole plant and plant residues that are directly turned into the soil and used as fertilizer. Miscellaneous fertilizers include all kinds of organic wastes that can be used as fertilizers. And commercial organic fertilizer understands the types of organic fertilizers. Next, let's learn about common organic fertilizers and their application methods. Human excrement. The nutrients in human feces are mainly organic, but easily decomposed. Nitrogen in human urine exists in the form of urea. Phosphorus and potassium are water-soluble salts, and the fertilizer efficiency is fast from the nutrient content. Nitrogen in human feces is often used as nitrogen fertilizer. Livestock and poultry dung and urine. Livestock manure mainly refers to the excrement of livestock, such as pigs, cattle, and sheep, raised by people, and the excrement of poultry, such as chickens, ducks, and geese. The main components of livestock manure are cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, protein and its degradation products, fat organic acids, enzymes, microorganisms, and inorganic salts. Because of the abundant organic matter, manure can effectively improve the physical and chemical properties of the soil and fertilize the soil. Barnyard manure. Barnyard manure is an organic fertilizer which is mainly made of livestock manure mixed with various gasket materials and feed residues. Nutrients in fresh barnyard manure are mainly organic, which must be rotted before application. Manure is a complete fertilizer which is rich in organic matter and has a significant effect on soil improvement. Compost. Compost is an organic fertilizer made of straw, weeds, green manure, mud, carbon, leaves, garbage, and other wastes as main raw materials, and nitrogen-rich substances such as human and animal excrement and urine are added for composting. Composting. It refers to the organic fertilizer produced by fermenting organic materials in soil with anaerobic microorganisms under the condition of salting water. Straw returning to field. Returning straw to the field refers to the measure that straw is directly applied to the soil as fertilizer without being decomposed. There are ways to return fields. Returning high stakes to fields, chopping straw and returning it to field, covering fields, etc. Return amount and time. Dry land should be plowed and buried 15 to 45 days before sowing. Paddy fields should be plowed and buried 7 to 10 days before transplanting. In general, when the dosage of rice straw and wheat straw is 2,250 to 3,000 kilograms per square hectare, corn straw can be appropriately increased, or all straw can be returned to the field. Straw returning to field with quick-acting chemical fertilizer and water management can speed up decomposition. Green manure. Green manure refers to cultivated or wild plants that use all or part of their plants as fertilizer. Green manure has strong adaptability and a wide planting range. It can be planted in farmland, barren hills, slopes, ponds, rivers, etc. It can also be intercropped, interplanted, monoculture, rotation, etc. The yield of green manure is high, with an average yield of 5 to 22 5 tons of fresh grass per hectare. The organic matter content is generally 12% to 15%, and the nutrient content is relatively high. Mixed manure, including peat and humic acid fertilizer, cake fertilizer, or mushroom residue, urban organic waste, and so on, have different nutrient contents. Commercial organic fertilizer. Commercial organic fertilizer refers to the organic fertilizer or organic inorganic compound fertilizer produced by factory production. Through material pre-treatment, formulation, fermentation, drying, crushing, granulation, packaging, and other processes. Students, in this video we introduce the types of organic fertilizers and their applications. In 2017, the Ministry of Agriculture put forward the action plan of partially replacing chemical fertilizer with organic fertilizer in order to reduce the amount of fertilizer and increase efficiency and protect the ecological environment. I hope you can publicize and popularize the application of organic fertilizer to promote the development of green agriculture in China. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching.